Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Dear students, welcome to quiz time. This quiz is on the use of suitable prefix. A prefix is a group of letters that is added to the beginning of the word. Prefix modify the meaning of the word. They can make the word negative. So, dear students, here you have to be given a word. So, you have to be use the suitable prefix with that word. So, question number 1 or the word 1, that is a climax. Option A and option B in, option C non, option D anti. Word second appear. Option A and, option B in, option C dis, option D and. Question number third, the word legal. Option A non, option B in, option C ill, option D anti. Question number 4, the word is moral. Option A im, option B in, option C non, option D anti. Question number 5, the word is responsible. Option A and, option B non, option C ir, option D anti. Question number 6, the word is essential. Option A and, option B in, option C non, option D anti. Yes. Question number 7, the word is healthy. Option A and, option B in, option C non, option D ill. Question number 8, the word is like. Option A dis, option B in, option C and, option D non. Question number 9, the word is possible. Option A and, option B in, option C im, option D non. The last question, question number 10, the word is qualified. Option A dis, option B in, option C non, option D and. So these are the 10 questions. You have to use suitable prefix to make the negative of that word. So, okay, Allah Hafiz. Write your total score in the comment box.